that Caesar salad consists of fish. I don't know what's going around. There's something going around. Everybody eating steak. Hi vlog. So last week I was sick and now Khalil's sick. And guess what we're having? Pho. But we're at a new restaurant, like a different restaurant. This one is in St. Paul. It's a lot closer. Yeah, Khalil's not feeling too well. Boo.
Yeah, that's why I look like this. I can't even hold myself together.
The hat is giving. Period. But yeah, Khalil doesn't feel good. So now I'm the nurse. And then tonight I'm gonna be cooking steak and mashed potatoes. And I'm gonna record that. But these are jalapeno ones. Why is it huge? Okay, now I'm gonna decorate. Time to decorate the front. Babe, I know you like this. Bon appetit. Bon appetit. Hot sauce. They have chopsticks. Mixing it. It's good. Good, babe. At this point, I'm becoming a pro at using these. So good. Yup. We might just have found a new pho spot closer to the crib. Period. I know, but like, what? Okay, low-key, these are harder to use than the wood ones. I'm gonna eat. Bye. Hi vlog. So I went to Target and I got Khalil some tea. And then I got some potatoes because I'm making potatoes with steak bites. And now I'm making Khalil his tea. But I can't get this open. It's so nice out. Dang, how many did they put in here? Teas for life at this point. Babe, there's like 30 packs in here. That's more than 16. Okay. But I'm gonna make Khalil his tea. And I'll cook later because we're still a little stuffed from pho earlier. But look at this. I had got this at IKEA. Remember when I went? It's so cute. I love it. Also, I'm off on a Wednesday and my video drops today at 5. What time is it, babe? 4. In 1 hour. Wow. So yeah, I'm gonna make Khalil his tea. Do it this day. what's going around. There's something going around. Everybody getting sick. Ew. Ew. I use some of this. Okay, guys. Got the tea bag in here. I feel like there's not enough water. What is going on? Did it just
Microwave the water?
Yeah. Was I not supposed to?
I thought you were gonna boil water or something.
Babe, you'll be fine.
You're using nuclear energy to heat up water.
Babe, but I don't know. I'm just here. Okay, so I'm just adding. Khalil likes a little sugar on his tea, so that's what we're doing. It's super hot. Let me try it. I don't know what it is. I can't drink tea, bro. Khalil got his tea. You want the spoon? Is defrosting. It's coming apart slowly. I try to make everything an aesthetic. So I have this, right, and it goes like this, an empty one. So I was gonna put it by like the coffee. So instead of having it in the box, I'm gonna like put it in here. It looks cute. And then it can be, you see there's like a million teas. That's more than 16, like, they gave us hella. It can be by the coffee, so like, bless you. Cause like the lid doesn't really work, so it can just be like this. Like, you get the vibes. So in here's the tea, and then in here is the coffee. Using my brain sometimes, cause I don't know why this doesn't work. I think I broke, but look you. Okay, chamomile tea. Oh my god, I forgot I had this hat on.
I know, over there looking like. It's cute.
Guys, I'm watching Khalil play the game. The setup is crazy. The setup is crazy, right? But he just shot somebody on the helicopter, like headshot. Oh, okay. You're just flexing for the vlog quick.
Trying.
The video. Okay. He just popped off. But vlog is dropping in 4 minutes. I already made my announcement on Instagram.
Yeah, bitches, don't tune in, they're haters.
I know. So I'm just waiting for it to drop so I can post a link so everybody can go watch. Oh, look. Look, babe. A year ago you can't. A year ago today for Valentine's. This was last year. Period. We popped off. I have 88 subscribers. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Hi, vlog. Marcia's driving. Charlie's down there. Steak is seasoned. Just got done peeling the potatoes. Now I gotta cut them up. Who got cable? I mean, I guess it doesn't really matter how I cut the potato because it's gonna get squashed.
So I didn't working on that. So probably went to Australia to do an investigation. When is the video dropping?
I burned myself. Yeah, they do complain a lot.
Oh my god.
Potatoes are in. Now we wait.
Baby, what are you doing?
Shirley's about to go off on all of them.
No, seriously. Did you saw the
Look, y'all, I'm a whole pro. There's some leftovers. Barely.
Have you watched it?
Pro. No, but first impressions of my restaurant, 5-star. Hold on. Me. Alright, let's see, first impressions. There's some corn.
Yeah.
What are you playing?
Simple. Why are you eating so hard? Girl, if you're gonna
The steak is chewy.
like take your half-ass freaking thing out, your beanie.
Hey, it's me.
Is that your trend? Is that the new trend?
Is the steak chewy?
Why are you
I feel like
eating
it's
so
chewy.
hard?
Is that normal?
Now eating chocolate and now
It's me freaking out.
What?
Okay.
It is not good?
Excuse me? It was good. It's just chewy. I'm like, is it supposed to be
Why are
chewy?
you chewing so hard?
They playing with me. They playing with me.
That's literally Natacha too. Oh my gosh, you nailed it. You nailed it.
Okay, bully. She's trying to imitate me because I guess I chew hard. Look at
Not
this.
hard, aggressively. Do it again, Shirley. Do it again. Do it. I can't believe myself. Hold on. I gotta
Bro, I do not chew like that. They're annoying.
It's already in your mouth.
They're still attacking me.
What kind of chocolates are you eating, Jimmy?
She's devouring them, that's for sure. Alright, I'm gonna eat. Vlog, we are at IKEA with Nikki and Devon. And I'm getting my nails done.
So I would like. Oh, look at my nails. I really do need one.
What color would you like?
See. Oh, is this? Oh no, that's a poster.
Why is Devon over there just laid up? So some hand sanitizer.
Yep. This is
Look, we
nice.
found some straws. Davon, say hi to the vlog.
What's going on, vlog?
I just did Nikki's nails. They're pink.
You know, we got IKEA.
Oh, the head. The head. This is cool. $40. Last time we were here, half of this stuff was empty. Oh, sorry. Look, a pencil. Not them having used shoes up in here. So yeah, last time we were here, half of the stuff in IKEA was under construction. And now they have the stuff. We're in the kids section now. Cute. So cute. Oh, they have like comforters and pillows. Okay.
No, it's really good. Your hair looks so like
Guys.
voluminous and like it's really cute.
I'm gonna use this thing.
Yeah. Hell yeah. I feel like it's better when somebody else does it too.
Here's your moment to shine.
Hi.
Everybody say hi to Nikki. What's up? We're having margaritas and we are at this. Is it vegan?
What?
This restaurant?
Oh no, it's not.
Oh, it's not vegan. I
It's
thought it was vegan.
no.
We're having margaritas and I'm the only one that got a pomegranate one. Let's see.
Oh, okay. I'm a sucker for deviled eggs. Please tell me someone else likes them. Oh, sorry.
It's the background. Ooh, deviled eggs. Deviled eggs ASMR.
ASMR. But I've never been here, so this is my first time. The aesthetic is cute in here. It's so cute. And Gregory gave us a tour of his LA apartment. It's nice. But wait,
We
how's
need to
your blood
cheers.
orange?
Cheers.
Yeah, we need to cheers. Okay,
Cheers to
what?
a day off and
Freedom?
us actually like hanging out and stuff outside.
I know.
Yeah.
We get to kickle and cackle outside of work.
Exactly. Cheers.
Oh, the colors are cute too.
It's been in the works. I feel
Mm-hmm.
I'm supposed to use the straw. God,
I don't have
Natacha
to.
getting
Okay.
spoon.
I kind of wish we had these at work. I mean, we
Oh,
do
yeah.
have.
That's good. It's pretty
Yeah,
smack.
but not like this small.
I like the small.
Yeah.
They have pasta.
$5 off?
Wait, did you
Is
come here
National
for-
Margarita Day for real?
Yeah. National Margarita Day.
Everybody
I've
mark
celebrated
your
this
calendars.
since my senior year of college.
I feel special for being a part of one of the years.
Oh yeah.
I love that.
Stop it.
I love
That's
that.
So cute.
I don't know. Let's see. I'm like not super hungry. I don't know. What we ate at Chili's earlier has me stuffed.
Oh yeah.
I had the chicken tenders and it came with fries and a side of mac and cheese. That's a lot of food.
The way I would have. Is it so
I'm
cheap
like-
there, or is it like? I'm dead. That's so funny.
It's affordable, yeah. Like it's not that.
Okay. Good.
But like right now their top shelf margarita is the Casamigos one, and I'm like, you can go to Trader Joe's and buy a $20 bottle, and it's the
That's
same
true.
thing.
Yeah.
So I'm like, I'll save my coins.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was good. But if you guys want to get an appetizer, we can get an appetizer.
Yeah. I think we should do the deviled eggs like you said, and then
She almost came
if
and
you.
she did.
We're gabbing too much.
They're gonna think we're high and shit.
I'm
It's
dead.
crazy because I'd be bad at tables like ours.
No,
I know.
Me too.
What am I doing?
I'm
I
always
literally be like, "Are
ladies,
you
let's
ready?
get it together.
Are you ready?"
Okay, personally, by the way, I don't like eggs. So if you guys were gonna... Oh, okay.
Yeah,
All right.
I might be the only one.
I don't know. I feel like I would just blow up.
I would...
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Chloe will be sick of me.
Stop.
I can't. I literally can't. What about, do you guys like
It's all-
I love us. I love us.
Me too.
You know, I don't really like hang out with friends like that. So like this feels very like genuine and special.
No, exactly.
I love
well,
it.
I usually never find like a lot of people that I like at my restaurant job. I mean, like, I'll like be, you know, like I'm not like standoffish or anything like that. Like at work and stuff like that. I mean, like also like I was in school, so like I didn't have like a lot of time.
Yeah.
But also like I don't know. I feel like everybody, like all the connections and stuff I've made at like Francis have been like
It's
so like
different.
genuine.
Yeah.
No, it definitely is.
Yeah.
It's a good vibe.
Yeah.
For the most part, it's a good vibe.
From what we
yeah.
came from, 100%.
Oh,
Yes.
I'm sure.
Man, it was bad.
I need to hear some more stories.
Some tea?
Yeah, from now that I have the both of you, because I'm always hearing it from Devon and Khalil a little bit. No, Khalil always, because he was like a like assistant and stuff like that. So like he's always talking about it, and then he always like.
Can I put some food in?
Sorry. Oh my god.
It's your fault. Just pay. I'll give you 5 more minutes and then I need to order.
No, thank you. No,
I'm trying to go home.
No, we were
We need a
literally,
deadline.
we work in the restaurant industry.
Yeah,
and we
what-
were literally saying like we hate tables like hours. We're doing
No,
it,
you
and
wanna
I'm
know
like,
what's even funnier? I worked 9 to 3:30 today, and then I was walking home, and then my manager was like, "Do you want to come back in?" And I was like, "Honestly, you should call me in a good mood because I don't know why I said yes."
and now you're
I
like,
know, I was like, she was like 5:30, 8:30. I was like 3 hours fast.
Yeah.
And now I'm like, wait, I'm actually sweating, like breaking a sweat, like. But no, don't worry, I don't care because literally, you guys are cute.
thank you.
And you're sweet, so like. Take your time.
I love that.
Okay, but seriously, find it.
Oh my god. That's so funny.
Nah, but the stories in that bitch, and I was only there for months, is crazy.
Crazy.
That's
Okay.
just crazy. But we'll get into that because
Yes.
I'm gonna add that toxic shit up in here. But the way we can't decide.
Oh, okay. No, oh, sorry. There you go.
So jalapeno poppers, do we like them? Do we not like them?
You like spicy, right? Or
Yeah,
no?
they're good. Have
Okay.
y'all tried the? Okay, this is like a TikTok thing, but when it was trending and it was jalapenos, cream cheese and Takis.
Oh,
Yes.
yeah.
That shit looks
shit
fire.
God, yeah.
That
You
shit was
tried
bomb.
it?
I was like, bomb. That shit was.
Like ants on the log.
love
Like,
Takis too. They're so
That
bad.
shit was
So good.
bomb.
They're so good.
I do really like the bread basket with garlic feta dip too.
Ooh.
By the way.
Okay.
Oh yeah, you're a regular. What do you get from
I know.
here?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I usually get the bread basket or the mac and cheese bites or the spinach and artichoke dip was actually pretty good too.
That sounds fire.
The artichoke? That, yeah. We need
Yeah.
to get that too. Yeah.
Okay,
Maybe we should
perfect.
do, yeah.
So
Like
the artichoke dip one,
yeah.
but was 2.
The bread basket.
Do you want to do the bread basket
really
too?
good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wait, but we're already gonna get bread with the artichoke dip, are we not?
Oh, it's
I mean,
good
we do
though.
need to soak up the alcohol.
We do.
Yeah.
Soak that
literally.
shit up.
Exactly. And it doesn't have feta dip too.
Yeah.
Well, that's a lot of cheese too.
It
Have you
is.
ever tried the Caesar? Is it good?
You know, I haven't actually.
I love a Caesar salad.
I
I'm
think
sure it's
sun-dried tomato sounds really good in the Caesar.
Yeah.
I'm a sucker for sun-dried tomato. What to do with myself?
Why did I not know that Caesar salad consists of fish? Is it fish? Anchovies?
Yeah.
I didn't know. We're not switching plates right now.
No, we can. Yeah. If you, I mean, okay, so it has prosciutto, honey mustard, some apples, some cheese, and some lettuce. If that's okay. I'm the chef.
No, because this is what happened. So like, it smelled like straight fish, and I was like, "What is that?"
You smell it?
I mean,
No, you smell it.
well,
You
yeah,
literally
but like
smell
Caesar salad's always gonna smell.
I thought it was like,
fishy.
you know what Caesar? I thought like, you know the one
Like
from.
Francis?
No,
I'm kidding.
the one from Casetas, like you know that type of Caesar. That's what I thought. So they liked it. They lied to me my whole life.
We don't actually have to switch it, but we
Okay,
can if
okay,
you want.
okay. Let's not switch plates,
Okay.
because then she's gonna be like, "What the fuck?"
Oh no.
But should I say something though? Because we are gonna get charged.
Well, that's why I was saying
Side
that.
eye.
Like, I can just eat that, and then you can just have. I can get this literally anytime I want. So like, if you like prosciutto and all that stuff, you can have it.
I'm just not hungry like that. Like I could literally have like one bite.
Well, yeah, or whatever. No, whatever you want.
Straight. And then here's Nikki adding tons of salt. What is it?
You didn't have any, so it just tastes like it needed a little bit more flavor. So they added it.
Oh, so those are potatoes, zucchini.
It's zucchini and squash.
Oh. Okay, bougie. Hi, vlog. I'm back from work, and now I'm gonna make some homemade chicken noodle soup. Because look at the medicine. Medicine right here. Vicks, if you know, you know. But Kabo's sick as frick. And low-key, I feel like I just got sick again. But Kabo's right here. He's been in this position all day, right, babe?
All day.
Yeah, he called off work today, and I don't blame him, honestly, because I work 9 hours. He don't need that. But it's okay. Now, I'm gonna make this chicken noodle soup. This is my first time making it, like, myself, because my mom makes good chicken noodle soup. But I have faith in myself. But I got these petite baby cut carrots. They're tiny. And then these baby potatoes. I'm excited. It should work. Or not work, turn out. I have faith in myself. So I'm gonna do that. And I will show you guys the end result. I have faith. I have faith. Right, babe? Do you have faith in me?
I have a lot of
He has faith in me. It's gonna turn out yummy. Stay hydrated. Okay, I'm gonna start. Hi vlog. I wanted to update you. Look at these. I cut them into itty bitties. Itty bitties. So I have the celery and potatoes in here cooking, because you know celery and potatoes be hard. And why am I a pro? It's actually turning out really good. Okay, onion, get out. Alright. Yeah, it's actually tasting really good. And these are the noodles I'm gonna use. It's giving at-home soup. Good. Oh, and the chicken's in the oven cooking. And yeah. But we're almost done. We're almost done. Y'all, my chicken turned out so good. But I think I'm gonna top it off at the top, because I don't want it to get lost in the soup. But look at this. Are you ready? Ooh, let me stir it. Let me stir it. I did that. I just added the noodles in there. Have carrots and celery on here. Literally chicken noodle soup. But let's talk about this color. Yes, girl. I'm proud of myself. I did that. For my first time, not bad. Now I'm just letting the noodles cook. I have like 4 minutes on top of the 5 that's on here. And then it's done. Yay. But yeah, the chicken is like, it has like a spice to it. I don't know what I did. Magic. But I will show y'all the final plate when I'm done. Okay guys, I'm plating it. And this turned out better than I expected. Like, who is she? What we're doing in these bowls. start small. Start like this. Guys, look at the final product. It looked crazy because I put the chicken on top instead of mixing it, but it's all good. First impressions of my first homemade soup. Hope you did it with a fork, but it's okay. I did that. Like it, babe? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go eat meat. Hi, vlog. Last time you guys saw, I was doing a soup, and it turned out great. It was great. This is the next day, clearly, and I'm heading off to work. I'm a little under the weather, like, I know I'm not 100%. But hopefully, like, as the day goes by, I feel better because I'm taking medicine. I'm just over it. Like, there's something outside. Like, I'm tired of going outside and getting sick, and I'm barely outside. That's the problem. But I wanted to end the vlog here because the next couple days I work, and this vlog is going up on Wednesday, and I need to edit it and make sure it's done so you guys can see it on time. So I just wanted to end the vlog here and say thank you guys for watching. I hope you laughed, because at this point every video has been funny, and I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like and subscribe and leave a comment down below, don't forget. And yeah, I'll see you guys next week on the next video. Bye! Vlog. I'm gonna insert this at the end of the clip because it's the next day and I feel worse. Like, I genuinely, like, I don't know what's going on. Whatever virus is going around, like, somehow it came and attacked me. If it is what they're saying it is, you know. But I don't feel good at all. And I'm tired of being sick. And I was doing, like, the calculations. I got COVID in October. Recovered. Got sick again. Like a cold. Recovered. Sick again. I got sick last week, remember? I recovered by the end of the video. And here I am. Again. Can I catch a break? Like, I'm begging. I'm begging. So, everybody wear your masks outside. Make sure y'all use hand sanitizer, because these people are nasty outside. And it's crazy because I'm very clean. I wash my hands. Like, I do not be playing. So I don't get why I just got sick. But pray for me, and I'll see you guys on the next vlog.